So today I will be rebuilding the Lakers. Today would be as if we went back to last off season, seeing who they could have signed and who they could have let go. So today in 2K we'll be going just through each part of the off season. I think we'll get through the NBA draft. I'll just go to the NBA draft now. This is using the 2020 draft class, but as of now I will just sim to my pick. I will review the draft after, but we'll see who is available right now. Let's see. So I think Precious Achua did well last year. See who else is available. Cole Anthony, might get him. Let's see, I'd say it's either Cole Anthony or actually no, I saw Tyrese Maxey was down there also. So or Emmanuel quickly also, but I'm just gonna go with Cole Anthony here because we saw he's been decent for the Magic, just since the Magic are not that good, he hasn't had much done, but he'll be good at some point, so I have him right now. So as of now we'll send to the end of the draft and then we'll see what else happened. LaMelo Ball went to the Bulls. See, Anthony Edwards fell all the way down to the Hornets. Isaac Okoro still went to the Cavs. See, Obi Toppin went to the Suns. James Wiseman to the Hawks. Tyrese Halliburton to the Pelicans. We'll see what else happened, but I guess we'll just move on. And now we'll head into free agency right now. So I think this is just move on from the qualifying offers, and then let's see. I definitely want to re-sign Anthony Davis. We'll see. Let's see what other offers he has. It's 100% from both the Lakers and the Hawks, but let's go to each position. I think Fred VanVleet could be decent. I'll offer contracts to a bunch of people, so we'll offer Fred VanVleet a contract. We'll see. I'll go now to shooting guard. Jordan Clarkson. We'll sign him. See if he'd want to come back to the Lakers. He started his career as a Laker, and I think if the Lakers could get him back, they'd be good. See any small forwards. So the top two, well, I guess Gerald Green is in, but I guess it just seemed like a lot of the players aren't really in the league right now, but there's not that much small forwards that are good right now, but we'll see. Let's look here. Power forwards, I think Gallinari, I might go after, see what else is there. See if I can sign Melo. Says I've used too many offers today. So we'll see what... AD signed with the Hawks? See the other people? What do the other people decide? Okay, I'll offer Clarkson another deal. And here, I'll offer a deal to Serge Ibaka. I'll see if I can sign him. I'll offer Serge Ibaka a deal, and Marcus Cousins maybe. I think he's fine. Let's see, where should I go to? Let's go to power forwards. I'm gonna offer Marcus Morris a deal. Now we'll see who else decides. Also, Jordan Clarkson declined. Serge Ibaka, Marcus Morris, they all declined. This says Fred VanVleet agreed. So, hold on here. Let me check my roster. Do we have VanVleet on our team? Not as of now, but I'll check after. Let's just go back here. So everyone else declined. What about Bogey Cousins? He doesn't want to play. Let's see. 80's not there. What about... it says Harrell's already signed. Let's see who else. went to Gallinari, went to the Thunder. Oh yeah, it says we got Van Vliet. All right, so let me look through every other position. Dragic. I don't need a point guard. What's Clarkson? Says that Clarkson declined, though. So, anyone else? I think we're fine. Did Melo decide? What did Melo do? I think they said Melo. With offers as Morris have, but I guess I'll just offer Melo another contract. We'll see. What happens, but let's get Dwight Howard. We'll see if Dwight Howard wants to come back. But alright, so I'll send through today. Well, we're now saying it's declined. Wait, I don't get it, but it said we have Van Vliet. Oh, is he not there anymore? Well, now they're saying, now it's saying that Van Vliet wanted more money than before, so here, I don't know who else. Oh, let's go after Reggie Jackson. He wanted a little more money. He declined. Jeff Teague, what about him? He also declined. What about Derek Jones Jr.? Alright, so all these people want more money. Oh wait, was Marc Gasol available? Hold on, let's check that. It says I already offered too many people, but all of them declined, so I want to see why. He wants more money. What about Taj Gibson? We'll offer him his contract. See, he has. Let's check signed players. Did Taj Gibson decide to come? I guess it's done, so I'll just move on, and then I might try to get some people off of trades. Here, so I'll just advance to next season, and then I'll check out my roster, and then I'll make some trades. So, yeah, auto-generate rookies for next year. Alright. LeBron, McGee, Howard, Gibson. So I'll try to find trades for some people. Cole Anthony. See, Avery Bradley. You see, what offers could I get for him? See, no. Oh, it says I could give him. Oh yeah, I'll try that. Here. I'll remove both Danny Green and JaMychal Green. Is this a valid trade? Here, hold on. Let me turn the setting off. I'm going to try to turn some of the settings off. So, no financial trades, but let me try trading Avery Bradley for Pat Beverly. Oh, but it says they're offered to get a second-round pick. Yeah, I'll take that. All right, so we got Patrick Beverly now on the team. All right, so let's look at some other teams. Maybe Cole Anthony. I mean, I'm like, it's one season, so, I mean, we're only playing 2K one time, so I might end up looking to see some offers, but we'll see if there are offers for KCP. No, I'm not. I didn't even see the trade. I just went, but see who else. No. And I'm only gonna do this for players. Ooh, Royce O'Neal maybe? So what offers could I get? Guess I'll do this trade. I'll get Sterling Brown. I'll get Brooke Lopez, Ron Brother on our team. So, but I'll look to trade Sterling Brown. See who I could get for him. I could get Mike Scott, I guess. I'll take him, but see who else on the team there is. Kuzma. I don't see much people I would want to trade, but we'll see what offers I get for Mike Scott now. So I feel like I'd want to find a better player, almost, unless I can't get a better player from these trades, but hold on, let's see. Sometimes I think in real life you might get draft picks, but I'm not getting Mike Scott. I mean, I'm not trading him because I didn't like any of the trade offers that there were. See, Cole Anthony. No, I'm not doing this. Maybe George Hill. No. This might be a decent trade. I like Landry Shamet, maybe. But Clint Capella. Oh, I like this trade. Oh, I'm taking this trade. Let's go. We just got Clint Capella on our team now, but we have now two big men. So here, let me look to trade. See what offers I can get for Dwight Howard. George Hill, maybe? Or Bogdanovich, I might be interested in. I could get Draymond. I just got Draymond out of this. Wow. But that's not a smart trade. Don't trade. They traded Draymond for Dwight Howard. Let's see who else do I have on the team here. Let me look for Taylor Horton Tucker. Who else I could get for him? Royce O'Neal maybe, but yeah. Here, let's get Royce O'Neal in this trade. So let's look at my roster right now. I got LeBron, Clint Capella, JaVale McGee, Draymond Green, Patrick Beverly, Brooke Lopez, Kyle Kuzma, Alex Caruso, Danny Green, Royce O'Neal, Rajon Rondo, and Devontae Cacok. But I just realized I had Brooke Lopez on the team also, so I'll look to trade McGee also. We'll see what other trade offers I get. No, I'm not doing this. What else? I don't like any of these trade offers. Let's see, here, I'll do this. I'll get Taco Fall in this deal, and then I'll look to trade Taco Fall. After this, we'll see what I get for Taco Fall here. going through again because I don't really want to keep this. Here, I'll do Ed Davis and this, and then, but I don't really want to keep Ed Davis. We'll see what else I could get for him. Here, you know what? I'll just go along with it, and I'll get trade offers throughout the season. But actually, also I forgot. I'll get more players now. We'll see. Did I add any players to my team? Oh yeah, I did a few, and I'll look to trade them. So Ed Davis, Miles, CJ Miles. See what else I can get for him. Sterling Brown. Maybe a lot of teams are offering me Sterling Brown. See, I'll keep Sterling Brown, you know, and then, but I don't want to keep Sterling Brown. I'll see if I can find someone better for him. No, I'll go along with him, but see, Gary Payton, I don't really want to keep. See, Dante Exum might be fine, but I don't know if I'd keep Oh, Goran Dragic, that's a decent trade. All right. Let's see, Ron Neto. Dante Exum has been an option also. Should I get Torrey Craig out of this deal? So my roster begins the season is LeBron, Clint Capella, Draymond Green, Patrick Beverly, Brooke Lopez, Goran Dragic, Kyle Kuzma, Alex Caruso, Torrey Craig, Danny Green, Royce O'Neal, Rajon Rondo, Sterling Brown, Ed Davis, and Devontae